Hi guys, do you want to know how to make money on YouTube without showing your face? Well, in this video, we're going to take a look at the animated channels and see how they're doing it. Now, what do you need? What do you not need is you don't need any experience, you don't need no skills, and you don't need a camera because we don't need to show our face. And if you stay till the end, I will show you how to fast track everything. I will show you how to earn more, and I will show you how to get a free gift. Now you're probably thinking, who are you? Yeah, well, I'm just a geeky dad trying to build my empire and sharing whatever's working. Now, as you can see, I am a geek. I run a movies channel called Movies Games Beyond, and that's the channel I'll be showing you later. And I'll show you proof that I'm earning money. And I'm going to show you some, now we're going to get into it and show you some animated channels. So the first one is Story Booth. They've got quite a lot of subscribers. And if you look at the videos, they've got lots of views, yeah? 1.3, 1.4, 1.6. But if you look, like this one was uploaded 4 weeks ago. Then it was like 3 months like previous, then 5 months, 7 months. So they don't always upload them every month. Well, there was uploading them every month, sorry, but they seem to just stop. Like 5 months or 3, like they missed 2, and then yeah. So if you go over to the social blade, which tells you all the stats, you can see that their estimated monthly earnings are between 1.5 thousand, 1.5 thousand to 23.9 thousand. Yeah, that's in British pounds, and so they could be earning anything between there. But from experience, and I'll show you proof that I'll show you my channel and my earnings. It's never the lowest one. Well, it's not for me. It's always like 2 to 3 times that one. Sometimes a bit like higher. Now, if you look at so daily average is they're making between £50 and 796. Yeah, weekly, sorry, between 348 to 5.6, and then every month between that. So, would you like to earn a bit of extra cash? Yeah. Yes, not bad. The next channel, guys, is My Story Animated. Now, these have got more subscribers. And these upload quite often. And we'll have a look at their social blade. And as you can see, because they're uploading more, they're getting paid more. Getting between 2.7 and 42.7 a month, guys. Yeah. And if you look, that's what they're getting daily, weekly, and then monthly. So quite awesome, guys. Now another channel, for last channel, guys. This is a bit of a smaller one. I chose this one so we could have a look at it. She's not uploaded this a month ago. She uploaded. I say it's a she. I'm not sure. I'm just going off that, guys. I'm not really sure. She's getting smaller, but still, she's getting between 417 to 6.7 thousand. Like I said, times that by 3 or 4, and that's what she'll probably come out with a month. Which it's great, guys. Just for doing something you'll enjoy. If you like animation videos and you want to do upload, you want to make money off it as well as your hobby, it's extra cash in it, guys. Now, let's go to my channel called Movies Games Beyond, guys. Yeah, all one word. This is the one, guys. This is my channel, guys. I've got 7,000. 7,700 7,070 subscribers. Yeah, I used to upload quite like 2 to 3 videos a day, guys. Let's go on to the videos. Yeah, yesterday I uploaded one, then 3 days ago, then a week ago, I kind of stopped, guys. Yeah, but if we go over, I've got lots more to upload, by the way. If we go over to the Movies Games Beyond, yeah, it's saying I'm earning between 125 to 2,000 a month, guys. Yeah, between £466 a day, between £29 and £465 a week. So that's extra, guys, right? But if I show you, it won't be a second, guys. Yeah, so here's my earnings for the month, for the last 6 months. Yeah, as you can see, July I was only making like £23. Then it started going up, up and up. So now December's, I've not had January's yet. Gets paid once a month, but last month 405, 712. So you can see it's more than that, yeah. So 700. I'm hoping to get it. Although I can't wait till it gets to the £1,000 mark, guys. Yeah, and if you want to make these kind of videos, guys, I told you if you stay till the end, I will show you a program which is called Create Studio, and I was saying here, breathtaking animation never seems so simple. And you can create attention grabbing explainer videos, video ads, social content, yeah. And as you can see, 3D graphics and like you've got your backgrounds and that. It's 5-star from Trustpilot, rated excellent from over 100 reviews. And trust me, guys, I've not added to that review yet, so it should be 101. They are brilliant. And if you come down, you can go across and see you can watch different videos, what they've made. Like you can make logos and outros for your YouTube channel. You can make 2D explainer videos like they've been doing. You can make YouTube graphics, promotional videos, which, guys, these kind of videos you can sell to clients. Like you can go on Facebook and search for like businesses and send these videos and make money. You can go on Fiverr, you can go on Upwork. Then you've got 3D explainer videos, which these cost a lot of money, guys. But you get all this inside this app. Yeah, you can do doodle sketch videos, all these kind of different stomp teasers, like your text messages and stuff like that. Yeah, character explainers. These are brilliant, guys. You can make so many text animations, so many, yeah, and so on. And let me just open it up. See that when you open it up, guys, you've got all like these characters, Instagram, Facebook. Like I'll go through them, yeah. If you hover over it, it plays a little bit of it, but you've got all these. These are templates, what they have already made for you. So all you need to do is, if you want to use this, click on it, you open it up, and you can tweak it, yeah. Change it to your name, put your logo on it. And they've made loads for you, like cafe ones. You can sell to cafe owners, beauty salons, and just sorry, guys, just so many different ones, yeah. And these are just the 3D ones and the 2D ones, like the character ones, yeah. Some really good ones. Then you can go on your Instagram and Facebook if you want to post on there. Like if you've got offers to promote, yeah, you've got offers and you want to sell things and advertise things, yeah. You've got your promotional, more advertising, more different ones, yeah. You've got your stories, you've got your logos, YouTube. Then you got other, which is more like stories and that. Your Facebook covers. If you want to go like advertise to local businesses, guys, it's brilliant. I swear. Yeah. And then if you can learn, you can start from scratch and have like a plain open canvas where you just make your own. But you can. There's so many different characters and so many different like backgrounds and themes and that, guys. And there, I'm not sure what the price is for it, Sophia, but I will leave a link in the description. Yeah, if you go into the description or look on the comments below, I will leave a link to it, guys, and you'll get a discount. So, but if you come to this website, you probably have to pay. Well, you'll have to pay the full price, but I'll give you a discount, yeah, for going through my link. I will make a little bit of a commission, but it won't be any extra for you. You'll get it. Like I said, you'll get a commission. So, guys, this is a great app to make videos. Yeah, you can start a YouTube channel and start making your own animated videos, make your own little stories up. Plus, while you're uploading little stories to your YouTube channel, like I said, you can use this app as well to make explainer videos, logos, and that. And you can go on Fiverr, up with places like that, and sell them, make more money. So as you're trying to build up your YouTube channel, you can also make a side income. So then, when you do start making money on your YouTube channel, like I've just shown that I am, you can also make a side income. So you're making double income, yeah, or triple income, whatever you want to like do. There's so much potential here, guys. Get this app; it's brilliant. Yeah. If you want to look at some of my videos, if you go on my channel, click on like my homepage, like Building My Empire. Click on that. My name underneath this video. It'll take you to the homepage, and you will see that I've uploaded some videos. I made a Christmas one. Like I made my own little story up. It's not the best, but I made my story up. I've not made any videos with a voiceover yet, but you can do. You can make voiceovers. You can also use their voices. They've got like those built-in voices, different like from different areas, different languages, and that. And yeah, it's great, guys. So that being said, guys, I'm going to leave you to it. Thanks very much for watching. I'm Jay Roberts, and as you can see, the geeky dad. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and a like. Well, I think they're the same, yeah. If you've not already done so, please subscribe and share this video, guys. Comment below if you enjoyed it. Comment below if you're going to get this app, or if there's any other kind of how to make money on YouTube, like niches you want to learn. Like this is an animated one. I've covered the food. I've covered the cars. Check them videos out, guys. Yeah, thanks very much for watching, guys. Until next time, goodbye.